What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. This is one of those tips and tricks type video where I try to teach you as much as possible in a short amount of time. Okay, this video is specifically for the back tap feature, giving your iPhone a button in the back. So for the back tap feature, you're gonna wanna go into settings, go into accessibilities, and physical and motor is the tab that you wanna look for. And of course touch, because you're going to actually be physically touching the iPhone. Go to touch, go all the way down until you see back tap, and you're going to want to turn this on. As you can see, it says double tap or triple tap on the back of the iPhone to perform actions quickly. So anyway, we're going to go in now. Double tap, what I found with double tap is it goes off like if you were to kind of drop your phone on something, let's say this desk, it's going to actually turn on whatever you have. So I would suggest triple tapping, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to do double tap. See? Double tap. You're going to be able to assign it to all of these features, so you can double tap and your camera pulls up pretty quickly. But for the sake of the video, so we can do something relatively quick, we're going to do a flashlight. And of course, if I turn it around, even in the settings mode, let me expose my camera here, double tap, and your flashlight torch comes on. Double tap again, and it goes off. Okay, so let's say you wanted to do a double tap to screenshot. So now when I double tap, it takes a screenshot automatically. So let's see something else that would be real quick. Let's say I wanted my camera to come on as soon as I double tap. So we'll double tap, 1, 2, and your camera comes on just like that. That is absolutely amazing. Again, this feature is called back tap, one of the most useful features that you can utilize on your iPhone. For more tips and tricks, please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped. Peace.